Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect camisole that's really soft and feels luxurious every time you put it on? These from Curvey are probably one of the best camisoles that I've ever had. This comes in a 4-pack, and you can see that the camisoles are made of a beautiful modal cotton and spandex material. They legit are probably some of the softest pieces of clothing that I've seen in a long time. I really love that they're very finely stitched, so you don't have any loose threads. They're fully adjustable at the shoulders. The material is very like whisper soft, really feels good on. And I love them because they're great for layering. I like wearing these even under my PJs because then I feel like I just have a little bit extra warmth. But they're just so soft. I love this pack because it came with the perfect basic colors. I have the neutral, the cream color, and the black. Now these do not have a shelf lining inside, but rather this is just a basic, standard, breathable camisole that feels absolutely wonderful. Even after washing, I tried drying these both in the washing machine as well as just line drying them outside, and they still continue to be just as soft. I went with the medium, and I find that it's slightly bigger, but I like things feeling a little bit looser, so it's a perfect size for me. If you're looking for the most breathable, soft, really pretty to wear camisoles, you need to check these out. This is a beautiful piece that you have to have. It's like one of those basic pieces to have in your wardrobe. And that's just my point of view.